because I'm all about urban style, I'm an urban portrait photographer, I'm shooting at 800 of a second. And the reason why, because I love that moody style. And it's really important to me that I have this natural light, because what I'm looking for when I'm photographing a model is making sure that makeup isn't overdone, making sure that we have pores in the skin, and making sure that I can capture that. So I shoot at 800 so that we lower the highlights and have that urban look. And then I bring things into post-production and just really play around with the highlights subtly. But this is why this is important, because when you have this, you can control the light in these kind of situations, okay? And this is why I think amateur photographers, or those who are interested in portraiture, using a one light setup can really benefit from this. You can control that light and you can have that shadow and dark where you can really emphasize and have almost like a 3D type portrait at the end of it. Okay, we're shooting also at 250 ISO. Okay, and I'm using 1.6 because really and truly, it is almost a flat plane, okay? If I go any lower, so 1.2, you'll start to lose the details in the nose and it becomes too soft. That's really if I'm shooting intimate shots, okay? Because what I want is that dreamy effect, okay? Oh, this looks beautiful. And we've got this lovely catchlight in the eyes. Now we've got this beautiful, gorgeous light that's coming across. And what we're trying to do is we're going to have the lovely shadow that is created just by using this softbox. We've got less light coming in on this side, so everything's really controlled from here. And we're using these, as I said, we're using these directional lines. And it's great because this particular line is almost level with her eyes as well. This time I'm going to be shooting at 500 of a second. We're using a 1.8 again for this one, and ISO 250. And again, I'm getting that beautiful moody tones, and that's gorgeous. And what it's doing, it's almost it's creating that cinematic look. And you know, the grays are, the beige are turning gray. The colors are just popping as well in regards to her on her face. And you've got that lovely catch lights in the eyes as well. You're looking at different angles, okay, different heights. Obviously, when you shoot low, you're providing more length for the model, okay? So the legs will look longer, and then she'll look a lot taller. If you're shooting from this side, it's best for portraits directly, like headshots. That's how I tend to do it. And if you're shooting higher up, understand that it's more creative, but your model will look shorter, okay? Just bear that in mind. Fantastic, fantastic. Hold that there. Excellent. Excellent.